your online social science classes, and I am here, your social science teacher Sangeeta Behra. Hello students, today I am back with your online social science classes for the class 9th, chapter number 1, the story of village Palampur. So students, in this part we will conclude this chapter, okay? So be careful with your notebooks and write down your class notes also, okay? So students, till now we had completed in this chapter about the factors of the production. So students, we had concluded in our last part up to the third part of the factors of production, that is labor, and we had concluded the last part with the conversation of Dala and Ramkali, the poor laborers, or you can say the farm laborers in the village Palampur, okay? So now we will go further in this chapter and we will conclude this chapter today itself, okay? So students, what we had heard in the factors of production for the labor, Dala and Ramkali used to discuss about the what? Discuss about the farming processes, the modern farming processes and the traditional farming processes. In traditional farming processes, they used to get more wages for their daily use, but in modern farming processes, they are having less work and getting the less wages from the larger farmers, okay? So they are feeling so much sad by not getting the right wages for their work, okay? So they are planning to work out outside the farm activities also in nearby the villages. Like this, the conversation ended in the last part of our this chapter, okay? So now we should go with the main factors. What is that? Which is remaining in factors of production, that is capital, okay? The capital needed in farming. Why we need capital? हमें capital की ज़रूरत क्यों होती है बताओ? क्योंकि उससे हम लोग सीड्स खरीद सकते हैं, फर्टिलाइजर्स खरीद सकते हैं, पेस्टिसाइड्स खरीद सकते हैं ताकि हम लोग की फार्मिंग बेटर हो सके. लेकिन स्मॉल फार्मर्स के पास क्या ये सब हो सकता है? They don't have that much enough money with them, right? So what they will do? They will take some debts from the or loan from the large farmers, or they can work for them and they will get their capital from them for their daily use life, okay? So as we are already seen, in modern farming method there are a great deal of capital because they are taking the less laborers and they are using more machine in the modern farming, okay? So what are the main factors small farmers are facing, or you can say the main problems what the small farmers are facing while doing the modern farming? Most farmers, small farmers used to borrow money to arrange the capital. They borrow from the large farmers and the village money lenders, okay, or from the traders who used to supply the farming instruments to them for the cultivation, okay? The rate of interest are very high, due to which they are so much distressed to pay that debts, okay, and due to which they can't able to get enough money for their farming or the cultivation processes, okay? So like this, the small farmer are facing so much of problems, okay? In this one small story is also given about A. Savita, the small farmer, which you can able to read with your textbook, okay? We won't discuss it here. If possible, if you have any doubt in the story, you can give a call to me, okay? So after that, we will have another point due to which the small farmers are facing the problem. In contrast to the small farmers, the medium and large farmers are having more savings for the farming, okay? तो बड़े जो किसान होते थे उन लोगों के पास पैसा ज़्यादा होता था जिससे वो लोग अपनी खेती बाड़ी कर सकते थे, बस स्मॉल फार्मर्स के पास एकदम नहीं रहता था, है ना? तो बड़े फार्मर्स के पास पैसा कहाँ से आता था, वो कैसे सेविंग करते थे, इसके बारे में हम लोग नेक्स्ट सेक्शंस में जानेंगे। ओके, तो लेट्स डिस्कस द स्टोरी सो फार। अब तक हम लोगों ने स्टोरी में क्या पढ़ा? ओके, हम लोग ने ये पढ़ा कि there are three main factors of production. What are they? Number 1, land. Number 2, labor. Number 3 is capital. Okay, so those three factors of productions are being used for the production activity in the village Palampur. Okay, till now we had studied about those three, and how the families are getting the laborers from the landless family, and those are Dalits in that village. They used to do the work for the large farmers in that village. Okay, so in contrast to labor, there are capital problem is very much with the laborers. They don't have that much sufficient capital to survive with their family. Okay, so cultivated lands are also very less, due to which they can't able to do the farming activities also. Even whatever land is available in that village, those are also in the unequally distributed among the villages. Okay, due to which very less people only able to survive with their farming activities. Okay, so like this we had discussed in this chapter previously, and also we discussed about the modern farming methods which requires a great deal of capital, due to which small farmers can't able to do the modern farming in their farms, or in having the small amount of land. In that also they can't able to do the modern farming. They will do traditionally only in that farms. Okay, so till now we had concluded with the modern farming in this chapter, and the problems faced by the small farmers due to the modern farming processes happens after the green revolution in the village. Okay, so these are the main things we had already discussed in the chapter. Now we will discuss how the surplus or the sale of surplus farm products are happening in that village. Okay, in that village, उस village में होता क्या था? स्मॉल फार्मर्स खेती तो कर लेते थे बड़े किसानों के खेतों में, बट होता क्या था कि वो लोग अपना खुद का कुछ अनाज बचा के नहीं रख सकते थे अपनी फैमिलीज के लिए. ओके, सो एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ मोमेंट दे यूज्ड टू डू अदर non-farm activities like what? Like dairy, like transport. Okay, so here they used to do the sale of surplus farm products by taking the help of those non-farm activities. Okay, so what they used to do, they used to sell the surplus, means whatever leftover is there with them, they used to sell that one. So like this the small farmers used to do the selling of the surplus farm products in the market which is connected near to their village. Okay, either they used to take the small amount of farm products to the market, or whatever things they will get from the large farmers, they used to sell those things in the market, and they used to bring another required things for their family. So with this we have a clear view of the farmers which are staying in the village Palampur, and what are the activities they used to do in the Palampur, and how they are facing the problems due to the modern farming technologies came to their village, and how they are managing their lifestyle in those critical conditions. Okay, so now we should have a also clear view about the non-farm activities happens in the Palampur village, where 25% people are engaged with the non-farming activities as they have no land of their own. Okay, तो उनका जब अपना खुद का कोई लैंड नहीं है तो वो अपना फार्मिंग एक्टिविटीज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं, जिसकी वजह से वो लोग नॉन फार्म एक्टिविटीज़ में इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं. ओके, एंड दे यूज टू अर्न मनी फ्रॉम देयर नॉन फार्म एक्टिविटीज़. As non-farm activities are also needs less amount of land to do it, So rather than doing the farming activities like agriculture, they used to do other non-farm activities such as main is dairy. Okay, the common activity which is being performed by the families of village Palampur for their daily survival. Okay, people feed their buffaloes various kinds of grass and jowar and bajra that grows during the rainy season. The milk is sold in Raiganj, the nearer village which is connected to the village Palampur. Okay, and two traders from Sapur town also have set up for collection of that milk from the Raiganj, where the people of village Palampur used to transport those milk to Raiganj. Okay, so like this they will get little bit of money for their own survival. Then the next portion of the non-farming activity is small scale manufacturing. Okay, at present less than 50 people are engaged in manufacturing in Palampur. Okay, unlike the manufacturing that takes place in the big factories in the cities or towns, manufacturing in Palampur involves very simple production methods which is done in the small scale. Okay, they used to hire laborers in that. Means छोटा मोटा फैक्ट्रीज का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट पालमपुर के लोगों ने अपने गांव में बनाया है, जिसमें वो लोग कुछ मज़दूरों को नौकरी देते हैं और उस हिसाब से उनसे काम भी लेते हैं. ओके, लाइक सुगर केन as they used to do the farming. So for sugarcane manufacturing they used to put a machine, electricity, and they used to crush it, due to which they will earn money from that sugarcane juice. Okay, as you people are already known those things, and they used to make jaggery also from the sugarcane, and they used to sold those things in the small villages like Raiganj, which is connected to their village, and also some traders used to take the jaggery from the villagers of Palampur. Okay, like this they used to do the non-farming activities of small manufacturing units. Okay, and the third portion is the shopkeepers of Palampur, people involved in trade, exchange of goods, and not many in the Palampur. The traders of Palampur are shopkeepers who buy various goods from wholesale markets in the cities and sell them in the village. तो जैसे शॉपकीपर्स आपके घर के पास भी होंगे, है ना, वो लोग क्या करते हैं, थोक के भाव में बहुत सारा सामान लेके अपने दुकान में रखते हैं और आप लोग उनसे इंडिविजुअली कभी कभी थोड़ा बहुत सामान खरीदते हो. कुछ इस तरह से ही शॉपकीपर्स भी कुछ है पालमपुर में, जो कि नियर बाय 50 इन अमाउंट. ओके, मतलब 50 लोग के आसपास वहाँ के लोग शॉपकीपर्स भी हैं जो कि अपना गुजारा उस शॉप से चलाते हैं. वो लोग टाउन से बहुत सारा सामान लेके गांव में बेचते हैं. ठीक है, व्हाट दे यूज टू सोल, राइस, वीट, sugar, tea, biscuits, oil, soap, toothpaste, batteries, candles, notebooks, pen, pencils, even some clothes. Okay, like this some families are also there who are having their own shop and they used to do the selling of goods or exchanging of goods to the people of the village Palampur. Okay, like this they used to do their survival. So this is the third point of the what non-farming activities happen in village Palampur. Okay, and with that there are fourth part is also there, which is known as transport, a fast developing sector in village Palampur. There are varieties of vehicles as we had already discussed in our first part of this chapter, that they are having rickshaw, tangewala is also there, tractor is also there, even trucks drivers are also there who used to do the transport activities in the village. Okay, so what the things they used to do with the transport, those are the vehicles of village Palampur are rickshawalas are there, tongawalas are there, GPs also there, tractors are also there, even truck drivers are also there who used to do the traditional transport works in the village Palampur. Even the traditional bullock cart and bogies are also used for the transport activities in that particular village. Which village? In village Palampur. Okay. Like this, from several years they used to do their survival from the transport activities also. So here we will concluded with the total portion of this chapter with lastly the non-farm activities which is done by the people of the village Palampur. तो अब तक आप लोगों को क्या पता चला कि विलेज पालमपुर एक छोटा सा गांव है जो कि मोस्टली प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटी करता है एंड द फार्मिंग इज द मेन प्रोडक्शन एक्टिविटीज इन दिस विलेज. Mostly 70% or 80%, nearby 75 to 80% people are engaged in farming. 25 people are engaged in non-farming activities like dairy, transport, manufacturing units, and some shopkeepers are also there. Okay. So like this, the people of village Palampur used to survive with their livelihood, and they will used to do their daily activities by working in farms and with the non-farms activities. Okay, like this they used to improve their productivity activities in their village for their survival. Okay, so students, till now we had concluded this chapter here, and we will be back with the new chapter in our next part. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, and do all the activities given in your book. If you are having any doubt, just give me a call. Okay? Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you very much.